I'm going to show you how to connect your PlayStation Pulse Elite headset directly to your PS5 for the first time. So the first thing is we want to go ahead and plug in this USB adapter Bluetooth. It's a USB-A, so I can put this in my front here because I have the regular PS5. If you have the slim PS5, then obviously you have to go to the back where there's a USB-A port. Okay, so let me go ahead and plug this in. Of course, make sure that the PS5 is first turned on. So I'm going to put it in. Just like that. I get a light there blinking. Now I'm going to turn on the headset. You can see the power button is right here. So let me just click and hold down for like 1 second. And now I'm going to let go. And you can see a blue light right there. Give it 1 second. Oops, something just came up on my screen here. So this will pop up on the screen and it says that we need to update our headset as well as that USB adapter. It's called the PS Link USB adapter. And we need to connect it with the USB cable, which it came with as well. So let me grab the cable, and the USB-A, I have to put it on the back because I have no open one on here because I have that link in there. So let me plug this into the back of my PS5. Now I'm going to plug it into my headset. Like that. Okay, so it's in. You can see what the screen says here. Now we're just going to go ahead and update now. Let me grab my controller here. We're going to update now. Updating your PS Link USB adapter. Now it's updating the headset, as you can see. Now it says restarting your wireless headset. Now it says the updates are complete. So I'm going to go ahead and click on OK right down there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and unplug it. Let's pull that out. And it looks like it's off. Let me go ahead and turn this back on. Hold it for a second. And voila, you can see that up there, okay? Now we can just get message, get started, just a little tutorial. So I just clicked on get started here, and you can read that to yourself. I'll click on next, and there you go.